Hello everyone. Today I start my new video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Mal Living. The story belongs to Korean series The Legends of Blue Sea. The series centers on the love story of Shim Chong, a mermaid, and a Hojun Jio, a rarity con artist, focusing on rebirth, fate, and unrequited love. And their tale juxtaposed with the parallel story of their Junso era incarnation, the mermaid Sheena, and toward her head Kim Yan. During the Joseon era, a mermaid saved the son of nobleman Kim Yan from drowning. Following the incident, the two child become close friends, and Rian name her Sheena, means bright shine child. After his descended young sister, despite being from two different worlds, they fall in love until Rian is forced to take up an arranged marriage. Sina planned to live upon the land with Rian, but she cannot turn her fishtail into a pair of human legs yet due to having not reached adulthood. Devastated by the news of Rian's marriage, she decided to leave him forever. Nevertheless, Rian's love for Sheena forced him to leave his wife on their wedding night and jump into the ocean to look for her. A disgusted Sheena rescued him from the drowning and properly erased his memory of her and their love so that he may not look for her again. After a year of separation, their paths cross again when they are adult, as Sheena is found by town folk trapped in cave after a storm and brought before Rian, now a widowed town officially. While Rian does not remember Sheena, he takes pity on her and set her free. This angered the town inner head nobleman Yong Seung, who had planned to exploit Sheena for her maternal desire. Yeon plot to overthrow Rian with the help of his maternity concubine Honna, as he murdered those in his way and separate a rumor that Rian is unfit to rule and he is bewitched by wicked mermaid. Allow him to capture Sheena as the village fall into panic. Rian rescues Sheena, tortured by Young and his concubine to extract her tears, while turned into rare sea pearls. Yan and his concubine are arrested while Rian returns Sheena to the sea and that she was recuperate. Rian, who has experiencing dream of himself, Sheena, and therefore in the future, fear that the same ill fate that affected himself and Sheena will repay itself. To warn his future self, he commissioned a time capsule containing a portrait of himself with the message to his future self that everything is repeated itself and he has to protect the reincarnation of Sheena from danger, mainly due to the reincarnation of Yan and anyone related to him. A furious Rian is determined to kill Yan and explode all his crime until he exile and removed from his position by the court due to the rumors. While Rian is being escorted on a boat for his exile, Yan and his associate renew their search for Sheena by setting a trap using landslide, and she is thrown up to the surface, thinking it is Rian's signal. Sheena comes under arrest by net, arrow, and harpoon from Yon men. Urged by his suspicious after noticing the floated lander from afar, Rian requests for the boat to turn around and a fight ensued between the guards and Yan's men. Rian plugged into the water just as a harpoon. Hardly by Yan's son impulsed her from being saving Sheena as Rian died in his arms. Sheena thrust the harpoon deep deep through his body and stabbed herself. The boat sink carries Rian's belonging with them, and Rian's jaded bracelet, which he gifted Sheena earlier, slide off the Sheena hand, and she died lost in the ocean. Yan and his conclusion are executed from their crime after the surviving official clear Rian's of the false accusation. It turned out that Young and explode and poisoned a merchant. The merchant's son Park Moon avenged his father.